Hi guys, in today's video we are going to be reviewing the Rainbow Loom Loomi-Pals charm bracelet kit, and they come in 3 different varieties. This one is the food. It comes with an instruction manual. It shows the different charms in the kit. It comes with a happy loom, 600 Rainbow Loom, 50 G-clips, 30 charms. These are the food charms. 4 taco charms called Tuesday, 1 pizza slice called Mary, 2 avocados called Ava, 1 egg charm called Yoki, 2 water charms called Aqua, 1 lobster charm called Sasha, 2 sushi charms called Sue, 3 eggplant charms called Gemma, 2 grape charms called Vinny, 1 strawberry charm called Sammy, 1 lime charm called Limey, 1 orange tangerine charm called Tangy, 2 watermelon charms called 2 cupcake charms called Rosie, 2 ice cream cone charms called Chip, 2 ice cream cone charms called Raz, 1 donut charm called Winnie, 3 donut charms called Spirit, 1 cotton candy charm called Candy, and 1 popsicle charm called Minty. The charms are sort of rubbery, almost like a rubber eraser. To begin, we're going to place Rainbow Loom bands onto our Happy Loom at the bottom here. No particular order, just place them on. Or if you do have an order, you can. And this just makes it easier to loom when you place them at the bottom. To begin, we're going to take one of our bands and place it into almost like an 8, figure 8 crossed. Push that band, rubber band down a bit. Take the next band, and this one we're just going to place straight without twisting it. Push it down a bit, and another one same way. Push down a bit, and another one same way. Push down a bit. Take the twisted one and go up over, and the other side up over. Add a new band. Push it down a bit. You always take the bottom band up, take it up on each side, and then push down. So it looks like that. And then add your next band. Again, bottom, up, both sides. And you're going to continue, starting to take the shape of a bracelet. Take the band, cross, push down a little, pull down, always take the very bottom and go up and over. Starting to look like a bracelet. You're always going to have the 3 bands on before you take the bottom and go up over on each side. And you're going to continue until you want it to be as long as you want it. And this is what it looks like so far. It goes pretty quick once you start. Taking the last band off before we refill it. Again, 3, bottom, up over on each side. And pull it down a bit. Very colorful. Now we're going to add more bands bottom to the, and continue. And I place the bands, fill it up again, and continue. And you can continue to however long you want your bracelet to be. And this is what it looks like. All done. When you have it as long as you want it, you're going to take one of the G clips. It looks like this. And you're going to insert into here. The 2 ends. Take it off. And then again into this side. So it looks like this. And then you're gonna put the other side into there. And there's the finished Rainbow Loom bracelet. We're going to pick a charm and add that. To add a charm, we take the G clip and put it into the hole. And then turn it. It should look like this. And then we're going to attach it anywhere on our bracelet here. And there's your finished charm. And you can add another charm. You can add 1, 2, 3, or as many charms as you want, whatever you prefer. And if you don't want that many on, you can also remove them. It's very easy to remove and put back on. This kit is for ages 7 years old and up. And as I mentioned earlier, this kit only came with certain charms and not all of the ones that are pictured here. And that's the review for this kit. It's very easy to follow, and they turn out very cute. Leave a comment in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and it was helpful in case you're planning on purchasing one of these or were just wondering how it works. And hope to see you in my next video.